Welcome to Sunrise Auto Sales, where we've been putting people first since 1991. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with automatic transmission, safety canopy side curtain airbags, air conditioning, auxiliary audio input, dual shift mode transmission, dual stage driver and passenger front airbags, advanced track electronic stability control, keyless entry, passenger airbag, stability control, and much more. At family-owned Sunrise Auto Sales, we respect and value our customers, with our goal being to provide a no-hassle buying experience and 100% customer satisfaction. We do this by providing honest and transparent pricing with no made-up dealer fees, a 30-day, 1,000-mile satisfaction guarantee, and our exclusive Fresh Start financing program that virtually assures everyone can get approved for financing. So come experience a better way to buy a car and come visit us at Sunrise Auto Sales today.